Hello everybody, my name is Alexander van Engelen, and I'm one of the land stewards with the Upper Valley Land Trust. Today I'm at Dismal Conservation Area in Hanover, and I'm going to be mapping where we have buckthorn and barberry and sort of all the invasives where we have infestations as part of sort of a forest inventory of this property. So I'll kind of show you through my method. So I'm first starting off with just like a basic just drawing of the property so that as I'm walking I can just kind of mark and then write down where I'm at. We do have methods of doing this sort of with GPS, but I find that with the level of infestations it's just a little easier to kind of draw it on an old-fashioned map. So this area sort of on this field edge is definitely going to test whether I can identify all of my buckthorn. So the funny thing is, this on the right is native speckled alder. This one on the left is going to be your glossy buckthorn. You can kind of see because of how like thick the or how dense the clumping of dots are on this one compared to this one, but it's still like at a glance these speckled alders can sometimes be mistaken for glossy buckthorn. One thing to sort of consider with glossy buckthorn is this is kind of what it looks like, it's bark wise. Now there are some native species that look very similar, like chokecherry. Some of the younger birches look also very similar, but something to kind of consider when you're looking at these is it's very rough to the touch and it's sort of almost speckled. So it's like these very small little bumps all across sort of its stem. Alrighty, so I have done the whole sort of northern side of the property. Now I just have sort of the southern side. So I'm basically just noting what I see. So what type of invasive, if it's mature, small, sapling, and then I'm also showing what other regen might be in the area so that if we remove the invasive, it won't just come back because there is no regen. So like B2, there wasn't much regen, so that was over there. So that would be something where we might want to do some planting or whatnot. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day.